Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start with your text selected. This matters because Premiere applies size changes to the active layer. Open Essential Graphics now, since it centralizes font, size, and alignment controls. Once done, use the Type tool to click the program monitor and position your text. Make sure the timeline clip is highlighted so changes stick. You do this early to avoid editing the wrong layer, and because Essential Graphics offers numeric size fields that give precise control. Now adjust font size using the numeric font size field in Essential Graphics so you get exact measurements. Type 48 or 72, for example. If you need the whole text scaled, go to Effect Controls and change Scale. This keeps strokes and shadows proportional. Make sure to hold Shift when dragging sliders to snap to common increments, and use arrow keys to nudge 1 point at a time. This dual approach explains why numeric entry is precise, while scaling. Finish by previewing your clip at 100% so you see the actual on-screen size. That prevents surprises on export. If font size seems to ignore changes, reset character styles in Essential Graphics. Overrides can lock values, so clear them and reapply your font. Also, if letters clip or wrap unexpectedly, expand the text box or adjust tracking, and consider using scale in Effect Controls instead of increasing font size to maintain layout. This troubleshooting tip solves the common display.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.